Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So I have this catch-it-all dresser that we have in the hallway of my house that has been a junk situation. We sort of throw everything in there. It looks nice and sleek, but man, it has been full of junk. So today we are cleaning that baby up.
To figure out what I want, 'cause baby right now I don't know.
If you've seen any of my videos where I am doing work in the main living room, you might actually recognize this dresser. It's where I've placed all of these pillows that I've made in the past. But what you don't know is actually I got this dresser more than a year ago from my mother-in-law's storage. It was really old and just like dirty and things like that. But I thought it would serve a good purpose for us. So I slapped on some paint on that baby and got it looking really, really nice. And it's been so good in the living room with our kids just having access to things right there if they wanted to play with their toys, their little toys, and just like random papers and pens and things like that just go in there. But the problem is that it has just been like a catch-all sort of situation with just junk and everything. So today we are going to be cleaning it up, but look how beautifully it turned out. And no, nobody told me back then when I was painting everything that I needed a drop cloth. So for sure that wasn't a good idea, but this has been an awesome dresser and it has maintained a lot of our things that we want out of sight. But today we are decluttering it because it has just gotten out of hand. So I hope you stick around and watch how clean and organized this becomes later on.
Figure out what I want, 'cause baby right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you.
So this is everything that came out of this dresser. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. Lots of paper that we need to throw out. We have some other paper that we need to go through and see what we actually want to keep and what we are getting rid of. There are things that just don't belong here that have to be put somewhere else in the house. So this kind of acted as a holding place temporarily, but the temporary never ended. There's toys, and then there's these little gadgets that belong to my husband for his little side business. So all of that have to be sort of compartmentalized and put back or just put somewhere else in the house or gotten rid of. So that's what I'll get to. But first, let's grab a trash bag.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken?
So I showed you earlier all the junk that came out of the drawers, and now I'm going to show you all of the junk that were being kept in the cabinet portion of the dresser. As you can see, there's just too much stuff in there that shouldn't be there. But the biggest thing I'm taking out is I had all of these like bags that had paint and other things that I use for my projects that just don't belong here. So I'm gonna get those out, but a few of the things that were kept in here are gonna be coming in here. I just need to put them in containers. So I have my husband's stuff that are like the electronics and stuff. I'm gonna organize them and put them back, and then all of these like remotes and wires and batteries and stuff I have to figure out. Some will have to go somewhere else, and some will go back in the cabinet where I'm keeping them just for quick access for now.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Alright, so now that the cabinet is clean, I'm just gonna put back the things that are gonna be kept here. This box here that I'm putting away, it's something that I have to bring back to my work. So again, for quick access, I'm just putting it here for now. I have my little tool boxes and my bag of other tools that I also like keeping here just for quick access for doing little projects here and there. And then I will move on to cleaning and organizing the drawers next. So this is what it looks like so far.
Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
And that is it. That is all. It's looking nice and clean and organized. Let me show you what I put in the drawers. Kids crafts and papers that are easily accessible. They're toys that they like using up here, especially the dolls and stuff that they like, that my daughter likes playing with frequently. I got my batteries and stuff that I feel like we're always looking for batteries, okay? Um, and then, of course, the cabinet, which I showed you earlier. So we've removed almost everything and just kept the bare minimum. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you as always, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care. Bye.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Well, colors fade, but it's okay. There is good